Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to NIBS Home School. Here I am Lokman, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Day. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic has been taken from English for today, Unit 21, Lesson 1 and 2. My beloved students, I would like to request, please open your textbook and read with us. This topic has been taken from English for today. It's all about a Cup Campuri which was held in Srimangal in Sylhet. A Cup Campuri is a gathering of scouts of different parts of Bangladesh. Again, a Cup Campuri is a gathering of different scouts from different parts of Bangladesh, and they went there and they set up their tents. They enjoyed their time. They visited different parts of the Sylhet, such as Lawachora National Park and tea garden, etc. Let's see what's happening there. I hope you have already opened your book. Read the text and answer the question number 1, 2 and 3. And 4 number will be SW. So keep watching our video. At the end of our today's class, I will give you an SW. Last January, when the time was last January, I went to a Cup Campuri. It was my first visit to a Cup Campuri, and it was my first time away from home. A Campuri is a gathering of cup from different parts of Bangladesh. Underline this information is the definition of Cup Campuri. Cups all over the world have their own campuris. The Cup Campuri took place in Srimangal under Maulavi Bazar district. To get there means to go there. We traveled from Dhaka to Srimangal by train. We arrived in the morning, so the weather was nice. How was the weather? The weather was nice. Okay. We walked to our camp. From the train station, there were 10 of us and 2 leaders. 10 of us and 2 leaders. We were a big group, so we didn't take any rickshaw. We walked together in our group. It wasn't very far. At the camp, we cleaned up the area, set up our tents and prepared our breakfast. Step by step, they first clean up the area, then set up their tents and then prepare their breakfast. After breakfast, we played games with cups from other parts of Bangladesh. Then we had lunch. We cooked rice and chicken. You can have a look here. They are scout members, Cup Campuri members. They are now ready to go their destination. They got down from a train. Now they are going and they are enjoying their moment. Okay. We cooked rice and children. In the afternoon and evening, we sang songs and recited poems. It was fun. At night, we slept in our tents. There is a picture of tents. They set up these tents and they slept in these tents at night. Okay, it was fun. At night we slept in our tents. The next day, after the Campuri, we went to Lawachora National Park. This is the Lawachora National Park in Srimangal, Sylhet in Bangladesh. It was very interesting. We took a walk beside a small stream in the forest. Stream means a very small river. It's called stream in the forest. Our leaders told us to be very quiet because, underline here, they were very quiet because they were passing a forest. So if they make any noise, then the animals will be frightened. That's why they were very quiet, because the animals are frightened by noise. We walked quietly up a small hill and suddenly we heard something in the trees. Above our heads, we looked up and saw a gibbon. Here is a picture of gibbon in a tree, a branches of tree. A gibbon is sitting here. Okay. This is a famous place to drink tea in Srimangal. The Nilkantha tea cabin sells a glass of tea of different colors and flavors. Underline this information. They sells a glass of tea of different colors and flavors. That means they sell different colors of teas, I mean more than 6 colors of tea in a same glass. It was amazing. I will never forget my visit to Lavasara National Park. It was a great day. You can have a look. There is a picture of different colors tea. In a same glass there are more than 6 colors of tea. Okay, now it's time to our question answer. First one is match the words of column A with the similar meaning of column B. Take your pencil or pen in your NCW copy. First one is column A, gathering. Gathering means a place where some people are together. So gathering, a small group of people, a meeting of a group of people. So A should be matched with number 3, right here, number 3, and your answer is a meeting. A meeting, write down with me, a meeting of a group. A meeting of a group of people. Okay, next number 2, stream. I said during reading, stream means small river. So search where is small river? Yes, this is small river. So number 1, stream, B plus number 1. B is matched with number 1. So write down here answer also, a small river. Number C, quietly. Quietly means to come quiet. Okay, without making any such noise. Without making much noise is called quietly. So C should be matched with number 4. Right answer here, without making much noise. Okay, then go to number D. D number is suddenly. Suddenly means quickly and unexpectedly. So D plus 2. D will be matched number 2. Quickly and unexpectedly. Okay, the last one, amazing. Amazing means very good, especially in an unexpected way. Very good, especially in an unexpected way. Okay, it's done. Now go to question number 2. In this question, in this pattern, there will be some true false. You have to write true beside the correct statement. You have to write false beside the false statement. So number 1 is the calf camporee was held in last February. Is it true? According to the passage, the information is not true. So write here false, because we came to learn that the calf camporee was held in last January. Okay, next one is camporee is uncommon all over the world. It also false statement, because we know that calf camporee is known to the whole world. So write here false. Number C, the word weather mentioned in the second para is a noun. Yes, in second para the word weather is mentioned, which from persopis is a noun. Okay, so here write true. Okay, next one, the area was cleaned up during setting up the tents. We came to learn that they first clean up the area, then set up their tents. So its information is not true. Right here false. Okay, last one, a camporee is a gathering of calves from different parts of the world. No, its information is not true, because here should be Bangladesh, not world. That's why right here false. Okay, now write some answer of the questions. First one is, what is a camporee? We came to learn that. First of all, write here subject. A camporee is a group gathering of, is a gathering of scouts of different parts of Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Okay, so what is Kampuri? Kampuri is a group, is a gathering of scouts of different parts of Bangladesh. Second one, where did the Cup Kampuri take place? We know that the Cup Kampuri took place. Right here took, because your question is in past tense, that's why your verb should be past form. The Cup Kampuri took place in Srimangal. Write as capital letter because it's our proper noun. Srimangal. Okay, then go to question number C. What does the Nilkantha tea cabin sell? We know that the Nilkantha tea cabin. Every first letter should be capital because it's a proper noun. Nil and T and cabin C should be capital. So the Nilkantha tea cabin sells, subject is third person singular number. That's why I'll give extra S here. Sells a glass of tea of different colors and flavors. Okay, next go to question number D. Why did the cubs walk quietly in the forest of Lawasar National Park? We know the cubs member or scout members walked, right, in past form of walk. The cubs walked quietly. Where? In the forest. In the forest of Lawasara National Park, because the animals were frightened. Were frightened by their much noise. Okay, when did you go to a Cup Kampuri? You can write here, I went to a Cup Kampuri last January. Or you can change your answer here. You can write here last February, last March. It's up to you. Okay, we have reached at the end of our today's class. Now take your SW. Your SW is number 7. Write a short composition on attending a Cup Kampuri. Write a short composition on attending a Cup Kampuri. I hope you have already understood our today's discussion. Our today's discussion was about a Cup Kampuri which was held in Srimangal in Sylhet, and they made their enjoyment there and they visited different parts of Sylhet. First of all, you need to read out the textbook, then go to exercise and pick out my class in your CW copy. Submit this SW after Eidul Adha, and stay well, stay home, listen to your parents. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz. Eid Mubarak.